Hello friends, welcome back. Let us see the subject Proficiency in English Part 2 S4. Today we will learn unit number 2 and the topic is Features of Writing. Remember I am uploading the notes in the description box. Kindly refer the notes of this topic and prepare for the exam. All the best. The first important feature is vocabulary. Vocabulary is a tool of communication and acquiring knowledge. The collection of words known and used by the people is called as vocabulary. It is of two types, active and passive. The words which we use in speaking and writing are called as active vocabulary. The words which we are familiar with but don't use each and every word that we know is called as passive vocabulary. One must have a good vocabulary to prepare any write up. Those who read books have a good vocabulary. Vocabulary is the foundation for comprehension. It helps us to understand what we are reading. We can share emotions, feelings, ideas, events due to vocabulary. We can read and grasp, interpret ideas, think logically. The greater number of words we have, the more we can interpret others' ideas. We can make good impression on others. It boosts our power of persuasion in communication. Selection of exact and appropriate words which convey exact meaning is very important. It depends on various things. Words have several shades of meanings, so we must select appropriate word to express the exact meaning. The selection of vocabulary depends on the kind of write-up and the reader. Who is the reader? It depends on that also. Good writer uses the adjectives and adverbs sparingly, but they use the nouns and verbs more in their work. Then comes grammar. In order to make the write-up easy to understand, effective and enjoyable, grammatical correctness is very essential. Grammar is the backbone of the language. The purpose of the grammar is to ensure that what you write is correctly comprehended and enjoyable to read. Written content must be free from errors so that the message is properly conveyed to the reader. Grammatical correctness includes spelling, punctuation, and grammar. Correct use of grammatical structure, sequence of proper tenses makes the write-up grammatically correct. Use of variety of structures adds positive effect to your write-up. So these are the important thing in grammatical correctness. We know that good handwriting is a sign of good personality. Good handwriting is easy to read and understand. It creates good impression on others. Then what are the points that makes the handwriting good? The size, shape of letters, distance between two letters, words, sentences, the uniformity in the writing, and legibility, fluency. It makes the handwriting good. Handwriting is nothing but the habit formation. By more and more practice, you can improve your handwriting. At the earlier stage, we must improve the handwriting by some role model before us. We have to follow that role model. Deliberate and conscious efforts are needed to improve handwriting. Holding a pen pencil, giving proper pressure on the pen, and then holding the paper properly, sitting posture, all these things matter for the good handwriting. Then the next important point is paragraph. Paragraph makes your write-up presentable, attractive and easy to understand. Proper information of paragraph makes the paragraph more pleasant. Paragraph plays a very important role in writing. What is a paragraph? It is a distinct section of a piece of writing, usually dealing with a single theme, and indicated by a new line, indentation, or numbering. A paragraph is a group of sentences. It has a single idea. In this slide, you can see one paragraph based on science. It is on only it only follows the one topic, which is science. It gives us the introduction, then comes the main body, and at the end it has conclusion. It begins with a topic sentence normally, and it has the sentences which support the main idea after that. It also, the sentences are in some consistent flow. There is an organization of thoughts in the paragraph. Sentences are linked with each other in the paragraph. A paragraph is formed with certain intention or purpose. It should be it should not be too short or too long. It should be self-explanatory. We must provide ample examples to explain or describe the idea. Objective should be properly established in the paragraph. It must contains unity. It must focus only on one theme. It also must observe coherence, which is nothing but the continuity in the presentation. So, this is all about paragraph writing. It has topic sentence, supporting sentences, details, and concluding sentence. Then comes discourse markers. Here in the slide, we can see that two different words are joined together by one link. So, discourse markers are nothing but the ideas that are connected with the joining words. It makes the write-up more cohesive, and therefore we must use discourse markers to make the write-up more effective. The thoughts in the write-up can be connected with these words. It gives continuity to the document. For example, though, since, although, however, these are the words which are useful to develop cohesive write-up. It gives uniqueness to the write-up. It brings the logical flow in the write-up. The purpose is to show some relation to something, to compare the ideas, to contrast the ideas, and to give summary, etc. Then comes, these are the examples of discourse markers. Then comes coherence. In coherence, ideas stick together and flow smoothly from one sentence to other. Here in the slide we can see the meaning of the coherence is nothing but the flow of ideas. The ideas should be naturally linked to each other. There should be proper linkage in the thoughts. Coherence refers to the organization of the content. Proper order, sequence of ideas must be maintained. Presentation should be logical, and coherence brings unity to the write-up. It helps to focus readers' attention to the main idea in the write-up. Then comes cohesion. In cohesion, ideas and thoughts are connected properly at the language level. So cohesion means relationship and connectivity of ideas at the sentence level. It focuses on the grammatical aspect of the writing. It is nothing but the grammatical linking within a text or sentence, and it connects the text together and gives it certain meaning. Cohesion is the connection of sentences and paragraph with the linking words. It is important because it allows us to show the various multiple references to people and things. So, this is all about the features of writing. Thank you, friends, and all the best.